चल हो जा शुरू.
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे.
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार. विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी.
Tracking the big story from the state of Karnataka, where trouble has been mounting for the former Chief Minister B S Yediyurappa. This, as he has been booked in a POCSO case. We understand that the CID that's probing this POCSO case has already reached the national capital, as Yediyurappa remains in the capital, being a part of the parliamentary board. So CID team has been in Delhi since late last night. Meanwhile, there is no lead on B S Yediyurappa's whereabouts. Note, this comes in the backdrop of a special court in Karnataka issuing a non-bailable warrant against former Chief Minister. Let's go across to Prajwal, who's joining us with the lead on that. Prajwal, we understand that the CID has been in the national capital since last night. Is the arrest imminent, and what about the next course of action that B S Yediyurappa can see to get some relief? We seem to have lost that connection, but note that it is a special court having issued a non-bailable warrant against Yediyurappa in a POCSO case. Meanwhile, the CID team has been probing this case. It is in the national capital. So this in the backdrop of lingering arrest of Yediyurappa, which could happen. Let's go across to Prajwal again. Prajwal, what are the legal options for Yediyurappa at this stage? And also talk to us about that anticipatory bail that Yediyurappa has applied for.
You know, at this point of time, legal options is very less, Samiksha, because it's either of the two. He will have to appear in front of the High Court, or he will have to appear in front of the CID and surrender himself as well. But the difficult aspect over here is that a team of the CID officials have already reached New Delhi late last night, which was being led by SP Raghavendra as well as DYSP Puneet from the CID branch as well. And once when they had been to Yediyurappa's residence in New Delhi, they were not able to find the former Chief Minister of Karnataka. And what is also very surprising is the fact that he's left his security at his residence only, and it's a fact to be noted that B S Yediyurappa has a Y category security. But despite that, he's left the entire security at his Delhi residence and he's moved away. And the cops, the CID team has been searching across many places in New Delhi, mainly Karnataka Bhavan as well, and also the last known location of the former Chief Minister of Karnataka in respect with this particular case as well. Meanwhile, when coming to this particular anticipatory bail which the former Chief Minister of Karnataka has applied for, it was slotted for a hearing anywhere between 11 to 11:30 by a single bench judge headed by Mr. Krishna Dikshit. But now the listing has been postponed to 2:30 p.m. So all eyes will be on that particular anticipatory bail, and if he gets an anticipatory bail, in all likely possibilities, we will be seeing the former Chief Minister of Karnataka surfacing again and appearing before the CID in connection with this particular case as well. Because remember that on the 12th of June, he had already gone ahead and given a letter, a request letter to the CID stating that he will be able to approach only on the 17th of June in front of the CID because he has political commitments and he was already in the national capital at that point of time.
Prajwal, stay with us. Let's put out that news break on our screens as well. The details you've mentioned about the whereabouts of B S Yediyurappa. So, Prajwal, they're getting us details that there is still no clue about B S Yediyurappa's location. We also understand that B S Yediyurappa has left his security at his residence and is alone at an undisclosed location. Prajwal, what is next? How is the CID going to go about in tracing the location of B S Yediyurappa? One, and also take us through the kind of statements that have been coming in from the BJP top brass on these charges against the former Karnataka Chief Minister.
Mainly when going ahead and tracing anybody, they will definitely go ahead with the technical evidence as well as the technical analysis, mainly to go on to find out where the call detail records are, where the tower dump and the tower location of the individual was last known before he has switched off his mobile phone or made it not reachable as well. But at the same point of time, there is an all-out political war which has broken out in the state of Karnataka between both the political parties. The BJP top brass in the state of Karnataka yesterday have taken to the social media handles and have stated that this is vendetta politics, and one of the reasons for B S Yediyurappa, there's a witch hunt for B S Yediyurappa, is the fact that Rahul Gandhi was called in recently by the additional magistrate court over here to go ahead and answer them in a defamation case, and therefore on the instructions of Rahul Gandhi now, there has been, the CID has approached the court under CRPC section 41A to go ahead and issue a non-bailable warrant in this particular case as well. To this, both the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka as well as the Home Minister Dr. G. Parmeshwara has spoken to Republic and have stated that there is absolutely no vendetta politics, and he was not present for the investigation on the 12th of June, and that is one of the major reasons that an arrest warrant has been issued against.